Are you scared of English grammar? Don't panic. In this video, we will learn class 10 English grammar in a very simple and easy way. So let's English grammar. Combine each set of simple sentences into a simple sentence. Number 1. He came to me. He wanted to get some help. Answer. He came to me to get some help. Number 2. The train reached the station. It was noon at that time. Answer. The train reached the station at noon. Number 3. They killed the thief. It was unlawful. Answer. They killed the thief unlawfully. Number 4. He is very weak. He cannot walk. Answer. He is too weak to walk. Number 5. I hear a scream. The scream is frightening. Answer. I hear a frightening scream. Number 6. You must succeed in life. I expect this of you. Answer. I expect of your success in life. Change the following into indirect speech. Number 1. Rahul said within quotation mark, I am reading a book. Answer. Rahul said that he was reading a book. Number 2. The teacher said, comma, within quotation mark, the earth revolves around the sun. Answer. The teacher said that the earth revolves around the sun. Number 3. Rina said, comma, Rina said to me, comma, within quotation mark, I have finished my work. Answer. Rina told me that she had finished her work. Number 4a. He said, comma, I will help you within quotation mark. Answer. He said that he would help me. Number 5. My father said, comma, within quotation mark, honesty is the best policy. Answer. My father said that honesty is the best policy. Number 6. I said to my friend, comma, within quotation mark, you were absent yesterday. Answer. I told my friend that he had been absent the previous day. Number 7. The boy said, comma, within quotation mark, I was reading a book. Answer. The boy said that he had been reading a book. ভিডিওটি যদি তোমাদের ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে ভিডিওতে একটি লাইক করবে, কমেন্ট করবে এবং চ্যানেলটিকে অতি অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে ভবিষ্যতে এই ধরনের ভিডিও পাওয়ার জন্যে। আজকে এখানেই শেষ করলাম। দেখা হবে পরের ভিডিওতে। গুড বাই।